It's an emotional change on the outside and a practical change on the inside, all prioritizing customer focus. The truck itself also has a more confident focus look, and we use the LED technology headlamps to reduce the size of the eyes of the truck and therefore more focus of the truck itself. This increases the body colour proportion in the lower area of our truck, and with the new air deflector we can now offer a better harmony for our clients. We can now integrate their truck colours into our truck. Adding to this cleaner look is a new front grille, which completes the evolution and a more focused future for Renault trucks. Obviously, on the practical side, the LED headlamps bring the drivers many benefits, but the main practical upgrades are on the inside. In addition to the new car-like driving position, we now have new storage solutions. Today, every driver has at least one phone. Typically, they have two. With our new storage offer, we can secure 1, 2, even 3 phones with localized charging, all easy to access, all easy to see. Every driver also has delivery notes. Now these can be securely stored in our new drawer, which is also a great place to store things out of sight. In terms of ambience, within the cab, it's much more focused, less contrast, and much more businesslike. Our seats are greatly appreciated by our customer. We have enhanced the materials and the offer. We also offer a super cool embossed seat, which we are very proud to put the Renault logo on. Our proximity to our customers enables us to listen, to learn, and to integrate improvements into our products and services. Our customers are like an extended family. If they are happy, we are happy.